Why does core strength matter? A strong core isn't just about having a six-pack for the beach. It's about enhancing balance, stability, and power for virtually every movement we make. It's the epicenter of bodily fitness. Today, we'll delve into one of the most effective exercises for core strengthening, the plank. Imagine being a wooden plank, rigid and strong, bearing weight evenly across your length. That's essentially what the plank exercise emulates. It's a static exercise, which means you hold one position for a certain amount of time. This might sound easy, but don't be fooled. The plank engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making it a challenging, yet rewarding, core exercise. Ready to learn how to do a perfect plank? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, kick off by getting into a push-up position on the floor. Now bend your elbows 90 degrees and rest your weight on your forearms. Your elbows should line up directly underneath your shoulders. This creates a straight, strong line from your head to your feet. Next, ensure your body is in a straight line from your head to your heels. Imagine that there's a cup of hot coffee balancing on your back. Don't let it spill. This will help keep your body in the correct position. Now focus on your abdominal muscles. Draw them in so that you feel as if you're pulling your belly button back toward your spine. This engages your entire core and protects your lower back. Finally, hold this position for as long as you can. Start with 20 seconds and gradually work your way up as your strength improves. Remember, it's not about how long you can hold the plank, but about holding it correctly. So, to summarize, the plank exercise is a simple yet effective way to strengthen your core. It's all about maintaining a rigid, straight body position, engaging your abdominal muscles, and holding this position for a set amount of time. Remember these key points. Start in a push-up position and rest your weight on your forearms. Align your elbows directly under your shoulders. Keep your body straight from head to heels. Engage your abdominal muscles. Hold this position for as long as you can, starting with 20 seconds. The beauty of the plank exercise lies in its simplicity and versatility. You can do it anywhere, anytime, without any equipment. It's a powerhouse for building a strong core, improving balance, and enhancing overall fitness. So take the plank challenge today and feel the difference in your core strength. Remember, every great achievement begins with a single step, or in this case, a single plank. Happy planking!